Okay, and welcome to this very unique, all done for you passive income marketing system invite. This is not a corporate video, it's really a team video. My name is Rob Buser. I'm one of the Dutch leaders, and I welcome you to this new amazing opportunity of Gofounders / onpassive. As a disclaimer, no promises, no guarantees. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Just enjoy this video. It's an amazing opportunity, a once in a lifetime opportunity. I must admit, I've never seen anything like this before. It is truly all done for you. It sets up everything that you need. Mass media marketing, funnels, you name it, it's there, it's done for you. Auto upgrades, no monthly fees, no hidden upgrade thingamajiggers or proven sales or monthly auto ship commitments. It is literally revolutionizing the multi-level marketing business, the working from home business industry, as well as the complete online marketing and social media marketing industry. It is a true interrupter. I'd like to thank the founder, the actual creator of this opportunity. I've been following this gentleman for the last 15, 20, perhaps 30 years. He's always been a leader in online marketing for other network marketing organizations and good causes, and now he's literally putting everything that he has developed on the line for us in an all done for you fashion. So enjoy this short video, and I'd like to welcome everybody on board. Be inspired, not spammed or indoctrinated, because this is truly going to change your lifestyle and those whom you grant it. So pay it forward and enjoy this video. And before we continue, I can't stress it enough. No living room whiteboard meetings, no hotel lobby or seminar gatherings, no Skype, Zoom or webinars, no seminars, no social media advertising, no nothing. 100% autopilot income builder. It's a 3x10 forced matrix to infinity with different income opportunities. Everyone gets paid on everyone. Massive spillover, viral massive spillover, instant payments, automated upgrades, so the profits are increasing, truly global, and it has a potential to turn $25 into $2 million plus passive residual monthly income for life. Now basically it has 4 income streams the software is creating for you. So the income streams, the different packages are being upgraded by the software. It has a $25 3x10 matrix package. It has a $125 3x10 matrix package. It has a $250 3x10 matrix package and a $500 3x10 matrix package. So here you go. Auto team or auto business builder, auto upgrade, auto payment immediately. Once in, you're set for life. Fully automated recruiting and upgrading. It promotes, it recruits, it closes, and it upgrades. Here you go. Take your opportunity and enjoy the rest of this video once more.